stock exhaust. Let's put the goods on the car.
Sheesh. I must say, this is the best exhaust in the world. Wow.
It's the nicest exhaust I've ever seen in my life.
So sick. This right here is like a work of art. What up guys, behind me here I have a 2024 BMW CS. In today's video we're going to be installing a Valvetronic titanium exhaust. Shout out to Valvetronic, they sent me a full titanium cat back. I bought a 2024 BMW CS recently. It's just my daily for now to replace the NSX until summertime. The stock exhaust is super ugly. In this video I'm going to get stock exhaust sound. I'm going to do it in car so you guys can hear what it sounds like. I'm going to tune it eventually, but I just don't like how the stock exhaust looks. I know the titanium is going to look super sick behind here. I'll try to do a weight comparison before and after, and that's pretty much it. This car only has catted down pipes and then a resonator delete for now. This thing right here sounds better than your what's yours, F80?
F80, yeah.
It's time.
You're gonna definitely hear mine real
Call
quick,
Valvetronic.
in front of you.
Call Valvetronic right now and hit them up, tell them you need a titanium exhaust.
I'll take a titanium exhaust. You can't go wrong with that.
All right, we're gonna do, this is not a cold start, my car's already warm, but I'll do a few revs. You're pretty much good. Now this is M mode. M mode's a little bit louder. What do you think?
Sounds okay. I think it can sound a lot better with that Valvetronics for sure.
I don't like, you need some more enthusiasm.
All right, we're on the stock exhaust. Let's put the goods on the car and then I'll get hyped up. You know?
It's like a stock Honda Civic with a cat.
Right now. It's a stock exhaust. What are you going to do?
Drop in the comments what do you guys think of the CS. I'll drop a montage of the car when we get back in here, but we'll go for a quick ride. Just want you guys to hear the sound. This is the factory exhaust, catted down pipes, and resonator delete. I'm not going to get on it too crazy right now because it's raining, you know? It's not bad. It's not bad for a daily driver. It sounds like pretty decent. Could it be better? Of course, Valvetronic's got us. My brother's gonna drop me off real quick. I am gonna stand outside so you guys can hear it from the outside view, and then we're gonna install the exhaust. That thing needs a little bit more spice, just a little bit more spice, but it sounds good for now, but it's gonna sound way better. I know you heard that. You hear that?
It sounded like food. I thought it was lunchtime.
No, I know you heard that.
Sounds all right.
Valvetronics, hook my boy up. Hook my boy up. My boy just...
I got stock exhaust too.
You just got M Performance exhaust on your thing.
Still kind of stock.
Pretty good with weight. What do you think weight comparison is going to be?
For titanium exhaust?
Yeah, it's probably night and day difference, right?
Yeah, probably half the weight of a factory exhaust.
Yeah, I'm excited to see what it's going to be. Sheesh.
This fits F80 too? It's crazy.
Wow. That's all I gotta say is wow. Does it taste good?
I love titanium. This is really nice. I love the color that it's not like really blue. It's got this goldish tint to it.
Look at, so sick.
On valves.
Such a nice kit.
It is.
Damn.
Wow.
This looks like a supercar key.
It's from like a Lambo. It's the nicest exhaust I've ever seen in my life. But I think it's because we're used to Hondas, right?
Yeah. Everything's labeled, everything's packaged nicely, everything got here like perfect, the box isn't damaged. Overall, just really nice quality stuff. Just look at all those welds. It's really nice. An exhaust tip. thing is badass. So we are gonna do a weight comparison. I don't know how we're gonna do this.
Probably could have just waited with the box and everything. And it's
Yeah, but look at all the packing. I just wanted to get an accurate. I'll see if I can get all this stuff on the scale, and then we'll get a weight comparison. And I feel like the factory one's gonna be super, super heavy.
How heavy do you think it is?
I'm gonna go
right now.
55 pounds.
I'm gonna say heavier.
Heavier?
Yeah, I'm gonna say 64 pounds.
All right, it's good guess. All right, so we're gonna weigh this first, and after we get the stock exhaust dropped, we'll weigh the stock one. You didn't guess how much you think titanium is gonna weigh.
I'm gonna say like 31.
I was about to say like 35. We'll just add them all up. This is 15 pounds alone. Yeah, you get at Tetris?
I was just about to say this is just like Tetris.
Almost there, almost there. All right, last piece is right here. So we're gonna measure the exhaust without the mid plate and without the electric portion. Oh, you were close. Operator error, everything fell.
It all fell. So we're just gonna say it's 31 pounds. I was right.
No, I'm gonna go with, it was like 35, 37 pounds in that range. I definitely know this is lighter for a fact than that. The fact that, look at the canister alone.
Yeah. This probably weighs the same as just the mid pipe alone.
I can't wait to see. Moment of truth. What'd you say, 50 son?
Oh shit.
Oh my God.
What did I say? Didn't I say 61?
No, you said 50.
You said 64.
Oh, you said 64, I think. I don't know. We'll watch the video back and see what you said.
The closest though.
What was it, 60 what?
61?
60, no, yeah, 62 pounds. Yeah, so secondaries are missing, so 62 pounds factory exhaust. The titanium is, I'm gonna go with 37 pounds titanium. So when me and you race, you better lose 60 pounds, baby.
I don't need it.
All right, Jordan may have one. We forgot to take the front pipe off. So this might get your 64 pounds.
Oh, this is heavy.
Let's find out how much it is.
Oh, wow.
7 pounds. 7 pounds, so total exhaust weight, 62, 7, almost 70 pounds. So from 70 pounds to 37 pounds. Yo, J-Rock, did you notice that the exhaust is labeled A, B, C? I bet you can't wait to get to the D.
Oh man. I'm keeping this video professional.
That's dope. Everything is labeled accordingly. Finally, for once in your life, you have enough pipe to lay down.
You're just on a roll today, huh?
I must say, this is the best exhaust in the world.
Yeah, easy to put on too.
This right here is like a work of art. Like, check this out. Makes me not even want to drive it in the rain.
I'll drive it for you.
You drive it for
I
me?
want that exhaust stuff for you.
About to start it up right now. This thing looks insane. Like, look underneath the car. It just looks sick. All right, my brother's gonna quickly explain how we ran the electronics box.
So there's two body plugs right here in the bottom of the car. So I put two holes. So I put a hole here, and there's another plug right there. I put a hole in it to run the wire through it, and it goes down to the valves. The reason why they put this box in is because the factory valves on the car don't open up all the way, and these do.
So we put double-sided Velcro on the back of this box to mount it up. Those wires are ran left,
So these
right.
wires, so left and right, and then here's the plug for it. So I ran it under here, and then up through here behind the panel, and it plugs right in.
That simple. Shout out Valvetronic, this was super, super easy. They send you the exhaust with the valves already on it. Pretty much plug and play. These keys right here, they feel like Lambo keys. They're super heavy, they're nice, I love them. Exhaust is all up right now. We're gonna get a first startup for you guys any second now. All right, so we're gonna do the first startup. I think the exhaust is closed. We don't know yet, but we're gonna find out right now. This is gonna be a cold start. That's definitely closed, 100% closed. Let me get a rev. That sounds pretty good.
Let that shit free.
Let it rip. Oh. Huge difference. and down dick throw.
I know you are.
All right, valves are closed. I'll give you guys one rev. I open that thing up. That's just insane. I'm gonna get a bunch of tickets. I'm gonna jump in the car, give you guys a quick ride along, just so you guys can hear the inside of it. That's it, pretty much done. I'm super, super happy with this. All right, so we're driving the car now. It's pretty much super, super quiet when the valves are closed. It's like factory, maybe even quieter. It just sounds like this is normal. Like I can actually talk in here. It's not that loud. I'm gonna try with the exhaust valves open and see what it sounds like. All right, yeah, let you guys hear with the valves open. It's a big difference. Got downshift, get that burble. You can just hear it's a big difference. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's way better than the factory for sure. Also keep in mind that we have catted downpipes. I am gonna get the non-catted ones and put them on the car. But for now, I wanted like a quiet daily driver, just a little bit more than the factory exhaust, and this is perfect. I'm just gonna ricer it up all week now. Pretty much just backfire all the whole way to work.
Typical BMW boy.
Alright, I know it's raining out, but you guys can hear that. That thing is loud. I love it. I'm gonna get like a, I guess not a flyby, it's raining, but you guys will get the gist of it. I'm pretty sure you guys can still hear the car from here, because I can. Man, that thing sounds so good. Big, big difference. Shout out to Valvetronic, man. I appreciate you guys. The quality of work and the plug and play just makes it that much better. I think we had everything in and out within an hour. Shout out to them. Don't get scared now. Next lane open, huh?
Let's go.
Next lane is open.
Let's go.
Just lost 60 pounds pretty where was it? 30 pounds, 30 something pounds. I just lost 40 pounds. My car weighs a little bit less than a regular M3.
Don't hype the people up like you're gonna race me, because we all know that never happens.
Who do you got your money on? You got your money on old school, you got your money on new school?
Yeah, that's just old school.
Car's still new, the 18. But his car's rear wheel drive. We are all wheel drive.
Real man drive.
I could race you today in the rain.
Like
you are gonna spin, you're gonna do donuts.
You're like one of those Beamer guys now that think they're race car drivers. You just paddle shift or automatic.
Woo! Me and you are twins now. Skittles, look at us together now. You inspired me to get a BMW. I'm a Honda guy.
I'm a Honda guy too.
That's gonna be me at every car show this summer. All right, you guys, I'm gonna close this video out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out Valvetronic. If you are driving a BMW, I highly recommend, or any car, they make exhaust for everything. I highly recommend them. Amazing, amazing quality products. I'll see you guys in the next video.